because I'm here sharing a quick-ish recipe for dinner. If you've decided that you want to incorporate healthier options for you and or your family. Something that I made in about 45 minutes-ish, 50 minutes, less than an hour. Let's say less than an hour. If you follow us on Snapchat, then you saw this because I documented the entire start to finish on Snapchat. This is what it is. This is mine. So I'm keeping this quick because I'm going to go eat as soon as this is over. So this is chicken Alfredo with spaghetti squash noodles. I did the spaghetti squash as I always do. I bake it, cut the spaghetti squash in half, scoop the seeds out, bake it. I usually rub olive oil all over it, salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. Bake it about 30-45 minutes. And the cool thing is you don't have to use that much sauce. Some of people, when they're eating Alfredo, they want to drench the pasta in Alfredo sauce. But for me, because the spaghetti squash noodles are moist, I guess, I just like the way they taste. I don't need my spaghetti squash noodles drenched in sauce. It's healthy. I got it done in about an hour. I know for me, the way my metabolism is set up, I cannot skip any meals. I will turn into the Incredible Hulk. I will. I cannot skip meals. I just have to figure out how, again, to be a little bit healthier because I eat so much.